Now just now we also work out this example using a parallelogram method. So I'm going to show you how I solve this using the tip to tail method. However, do take note that for the tip to tail method, right, we can't just draw as per 45 degree. Because when we shift this arrow here to here, because it's tip to the tail, remember, then we have to find the angle between the two arrows. And for that to work, you have to actually use a horizontal line of 180 degree, subtract the 45 degree here to obtain the 135 degree. Then I can use it to solve the tip to tail method. If you ask me now, then I'll definitely prefer to solve this using parallelogram method because it's more straightforward. The tip to tail method will need you to do an extra step of finding out this angle, which sometimes could be complicated during the exams. Okay, but nevertheless, let's start working it out now. So as you see here, this is the parallelogram method that we worked out just now. So I'm going to work out the tip to tail method. Again, set the scale. I'm going to use the same scale as here. 1 cm represents 1 Newton, so I'm not going to write it down. Okay, and now, similarly, a dot to represent the body. First, the 6 Newton force, which will be a 6 cm line. And then now, we are going to draw, instead of 45 degree, 135 degree. So 90, 110, 20, 30, 135. And a 4 cm force. And we are pretty much done because the final step is just the drawing of the resultant force. I get the same answer, so resultant force is 9.2 Newton. Direction will be now measuring this angle. Again, remember to label all the forces and angle, which I forgot to do so just now. And I get 20 degrees. So resultant force is 20 degree from 6 Newton force. Notice the two value is different. This is 26 degree using parallelogram method, but because the reference force is the 4 Newton force, so this angle is 26. If I've measured using protractor, here will be 20 as well. So this is the 20 that we're talking about, 20 degrees. And that's all for tip to tail method. You can use either one of the method, whichever you're more comfortable with, though I will recommend parallelogram method because it's way more straightforward and easier to check your answer.